All right, welcome to Airfield Maintenance. I'm inside our equipment wash bay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick walk around on our wash bay so we can familiarize yourself with the proper use of our wash bay. Wintertime, we wash all this stow equipment. We spend a lot of hours cleaning equipment. First of all, we're gonna start here with the power washer. Just to the left of the hose reel is a pump. It says off. Once we turn the pump on, you're able to grab the power washer, squeeze the trigger with 2 hands, and operate the power washer. The next switch over to the right, it says burner. If you turn the burner on, it'll create hot pressure, hot air, or hot water to remove grime and grease off the equipment. Now, before we shut this unit off, when the burner's on, we want to go back to pump mode. Run the unit for about a minute. After a minute goes by, we can go ahead and turn the pump off. Our water pressure will decrease. Then we also want to go ahead and squeeze the trigger. And we want to release the rest of the water pressure that's remaining in the hose. As we move across the wash bay here from our power washer, mounted on the wall is a quick soap dispenser. As you can see here, there's a black hose that goes to a water line, and then a clear hose that runs over into the storage containers of our soap units. Normally, there'll be buckets and brooms. As you can see, there was some dirty water left by another person. Every time we go get soap, we want to empty the bucket, make sure we start with new clean water. Always empty the bucket into the floor drain. When we want to go back to our soap dispenser, we want to grab the hose here that's mounted, and all we do is we press and hold the red button. Soap will dispense with proper water. Hold it to your desire of what you want to use to clean equipment with. When you're done, please mount the hose back up on the metal bracket. As we come around to our side, our water flows connectors. We have a garden hose that we used to use if we don't want to use a water pressure or HOTC system. Basically, this thing here, I'll show you a quick run through this. At the end of this has a coupler. At the end of the coupler, the slide it units back and forth. What this is for is so we can put an accessory on this. We have a foam cannon for this. Foam cannon's usually sitting right on top of the soap tanks. This is our foam cannon. As we bring it over, we want to pull this coupling back, hook it into our foam cannon. May have to put it on the ground. Once it's connected, you can hold the cannon. There's also that way to distribute soap onto a vehicle. A lot of times guys like using this for the white service trucks more than what we do for snow equipment, due to the equipment being bigger. Just disconnect it. As you set the unit down on the ground, pull back on the coupler, and they'll disconnect off the unit. Make sure we put the unit back on top our storage tanks. As you can see, in the general area we have trash cans. Over here is our storage cabinet for cleaning supplies. Normally there'll be glass cleaners sitting around, paper towels. Inside the unit is more cleaning supplies. There's squeegees to clean the windows. There's trash bags located in here to clean out the inside of the vehicle. Another important thing is, as you come into the wash bay, is where's the garage door buttons? If you're always facing the garage door, they're usually off to the side with the operation controls. Also on the north side of the building, by the service door exit, is going to be the light switch. Now on the other side of the wash bay, We have an auxiliary connection for underwater body wash. As you can see here, there's a quick connect to put on the power washer unit on the wand, which is located on the wall here. Now to get this side working, you'll have to go across the wash bay and turn the pump on. Once the pump's on, you can power wash the passenger side of the vehicles that you're wanting to wash, or the other side that you don't want to wash yet. Also mounted on the wall, you'll see a switch located here with a twist knob. You twist this twist knob on, the water will flow and come out to the underbody wash. As you saw in the video, the underbody wash does not work correctly. Sometimes you want to do an inspection on the floor drains. If they're spraying weird, it's probably clogged. If that does not appear to fix the problem, we want to call 3001 for any work order issues that we have in our side of our wash bay. That completes our wash bay pre-trip inspection and also operation of the wash bay.